Route 33, College of Business Shuttle, EMU. Here on Adams at the stand, heading south. We're going to pull forward. At the stoplight is Michigan. We're going to make a right turn. This is considered a loop. Your fare box should always remain on inbound. The light is Hamilton. We're going to cross straight through. Continuing on Michigan, at the stoplight is Ballard. We're going to make our right turn on Ballard. Continuing on Ballard, we're approaching Washington now. We're going to continue through. We're at Emmett at the stop sign. Continue straight through. At the light is crossed. We're going to make a left turn. Bus stop on the right, Blue Line Shelter. Service in Boone Hall. This is a time point. Continuing on Cross. Stop approaching. At the light is Oakwood. We're going to make our right turn. Continuing on Oakwood. We're going to make a right into the Student Center. You'll see a sign that says bus drop off. gonna make our way around the horseshoe drive. Service our stop here. This is a time point. And we're gonna go back out to Oakwood. At the stop sign is Oakwood. We're gonna make our right turn. Continue to the stoplight, which is Huron River Drive. We'll make a right turn. Stop approaching. Approaching. At the light here is LaFleur. After passing the intersection at LaFleur, we're going to make a right turn at the next corner, which is Ann. Right turn here. Stop approaching. We're going to make a left on St. John's. To the right is Best Hall. Stop approaching here after the turn. Continuing to the stop sign is Lowell. We're going to make a right turn. Stop approaching, just past the stoplight. Gonna veer off and turn left at the traffic light. Gonna stay to the right of the two left turn lanes, making our left onto Forest. And we're gonna make a quick right turn onto Hamilton, which comes up quickly here. Continuing on Hamilton. Stop approaching. As we reach the stoplight at Cross, continuing across Cross, going to go in the left lane as we approach the flashing stop sign. This is Washington now. We're going to make our left turn. Stop sign is another stop. Here in North Adams, we're going to make a right turn. Going to go through the stop sign. We'll pull to our stop at the right. This concludes Route 33, the College of Business Shuttle for Eastern Michigan University.